You might have noticed in the last video, but I made some changes to my YouTube studio. My room used to look like this, but I didn't like it much because it looked a little bit dry, simple, and boring, to be honest. So I decided to spend a bit of money, about $100 to $200 to redecorate my room so it looks nice on the camera. And in this video, I want to talk about my new YouTube setup and how I make my YouTube videos. Okay, so this is how my room looks like usually. I have my desk over there where I work and where I study, and I have my bed over there, and I have my dog chewing on his toy, and I have another desk I don't use at all. At this corner of my room I have camera and lighting, and I got some wall shelves and plant, and I got some few vintage lights which I thought I could use as my YouTube background. I thought it'd be nice to have these nice warm light behind me, which was inspired by this video by Lizzie Pierce, I think, and I thought it was really nice. Anyways, and I have fairy lights because why not? So as you can see, my room is very bright. I got 4 windows, and they're letting lots of light in. So the first thing you want to do when making YouTube videos is to make your room completely dark. So the first thing first, let's close the curtains. Okay, now it's dark, but as you can see, they are still letting some light in. So ideally, you want to have some kind of proper blackout curtains, which you can get on Amazon for probably like, I don't know, $40, but I just can't be bothered to buy them. So I think they're still fine. It looks alright to me. Alright, once your room is reasonably dark, the next step is setting up your light. So I think you need 3 lights, key light and secondary light and third light. And my key light is this desk lamp that I got on Amazon. I think it was about $40. I guess if you want to be more serious, you should buy a proper key light, which costs much more than $40. But because I'm poor, I just decided to use my desk lamp as my key light. So this is a remote for this light. You can turn this on, and you can also change the color warmth of this light as well, and the brightness too. I'm just gonna set it to sort of white-ish color. And the secondary light, I'm gonna use this LED light I got from, I think this is made by Newer. It comes in pairs, you can see. You get 2 of these for $40 or $50 if I remember correctly. So I use one of them as my secondary light. I place it somewhere right here, okay, and then turn it on. Yeah, there you go. I try to keep it less bright than my main light. So yeah, like this one. Alright, so that's my secondary light. And for the third light is my background light. So I'm gonna place this guy around here. So we have this. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you can kind of change the color of the light by using this filter thing, which is pretty convenient. Alright, I set it to right here and turn the light on. Yeah, looks nice. Alright, okay, so now the light is ready, and the next step is the camera and the microphone, which is probably the most important step. Alright, so this is the camera I use currently. This is a Sony Alpha 6500, which I got from eBay, I think. It was a second-hand one, and it cost about like $600, I think. Yeah, and the lens I'm using to film my YouTube videos is a Sigma 30mm f1.4, which may not be the best lens for this kind of video, but hey, this works. And on top of the camera, I have this external audio recorder thing, which I got on Amazon for like $20. To be honest, the quality of this audio doesn't really matter in my opinion. Alright, so that is a camera and my audio. So this is a microphone I use, which I got for like $80. It's not the best microphone, but it does a job. And this microphone is connected to my audio recorder that is a Zoom H6. To be honest, this is a really, really nice audio recorder. Probably overkill because I don't need this for YouTube videos. You might need it if you are doing podcast, but you know, I'm not doing it. So probably you can get Zoom H5 or H4. That's probably enough for you if you're just doing YouTube. So once you finish setting up your camera and microphone, I usually have my laptop on my desk so I can see the outline of my video, you know, so I know what I'm going to talk about in this video. Oh, I forgot to mention that I'm using my portable charger as my battery for my camera because this camera consumes lots of battery and I don't want the battery to run out in the middle of filming. So I'm using this, I think it's made by Anchor, and it's a pretty good one. Okay, so once you're ready, turn on the camera and here we go. It looks fine and ready. And then hit record on the camera. Yeah, looks fine. And then it records it on the audio recorder as well. I've got to turn it on. Alright, now it's ready and just gonna check if the microphone is working. Yeah, it's fine. So hit record. Alright, now you just have to start talking about the thing you wanted to talk about in the video. And if you forget what you were going to say, you can just have a look at the note you made on your laptop and you're just gonna be fine. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This video was about my new YouTube setup and I hope it would be helpful, especially if you're kind of a YouTube beginner, because it's been just 1 year since I started YouTube, and as a beginner you don't want to spend so much money on the setup. So for the lighting, I think I spent just about $200, and of course the camera and you know, the microphone are expensive, but just for the lighting I think you can get for you know, less than $200, which is alright. Anyways, if you have any question or just want to connect with me, feel free to send me a DM on Twitter or send me an email. Alright, thanks, bye.